Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Epic Games Launcher on your PC. So it's pretty simple. You want to open up your browser and you want to search for Epic Games Download. Once you search for Epic Games Download, it'll show you download the Epic Games Launcher, the first option. Click on it. It'll take you to the official website. Now if you are like a normal PC user, you can click on download Epic Games Launcher. It'll download you for Windows. Now if you are a Mac user, you want to click on this over here where it says also available for Mac and download it from over here. But since I'm a Windows user, I'm going to click on this. It's going to ask me this. So I'm going to click on save and basically it'll start to download. Once it completes downloading, what I need to do is go on my downloads folder and double click on this Epic Games installer and install it. Now since I've already installed Epic Games, I'm not going to install it again, but that is basically how you guys can install Epic Games Launcher in your PC. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and after you download, install Epic Games and log in into your account, this is basically what the interface is going to look like. Alright, hope you understand.